Alright, this is Chris at Fred's on the Beach Boulevard location, 7637 Beach Boulevard at the corner of Beach and Parental Home Road. Just finished up another good install on a customer's truck. Did a set of steps on the side. Nice diamond plate toolbox, UWS. Looks real good. It's a sharp looking truck, man. 2019 Tacoma. Got a nice good looking WeatherTech bug shield on the front. And that thing is sharp. This is customer, Mr. Bowman. Tell me what you think, Mr. Bowman.
Did a great job. Looks really, really good. Set it off real well.
That's awesome. For all your truck accessory needs, we're here at Fred's, 7637 Beach Boulevard. Come see us.